If you wear your hair in a ponytail, you have to see this hat. I have been looking for a good ponytail cap for a long time, and I finally found the perfect one. Look at the back. It has a long open slit, so you can pull your hair right through. You can wear it with a high ponytail, a low ponytail, a messy bun, or even a braid. And if you want your hair down, it just looks like a cute normal cap. It goes on so easy and stays in place all day. The fabric is light and soft with mesh panels so your head stays cool. It also blocks the sun. It is UPF 50. It is water resistant and folds up small, and it comes in lots of pretty colors. Here you can see my hair is in a ponytail, and there is a hole in the back of the cap where you pull your hair through. It keeps the sun off my face on a sunny day. Go grab one.